There are a few other ways you can order products on the cabinetry.online platform, one of which is to use the doors and panels feature. This function sits more along the lines of a cutting list style of ordering. What it will do is give you the ability to order a panel in any width and length that you require. This will be limited by the material that you're using. You have the option to select a door, drawer, or panel from the top menu. You can also change the height and width, and change the exterior material as well by using the search function. You may note there are numerous customizable options for you to choose from, with the ability to select which sides of the panels are edged, the door type, whether it be pear, L-shaped or straight bifold, the door hang left or right, and also change the hinge style. For example, I'll copy this first door, and I'll change the quantity to 4. I'll then change the height to 1000 and the width to 600, and change the exterior material to blackened elm. If the material permits it, you have the option to select a different door style from the door drop-down. For example, if I'm to select a vinyl material such as alabaster, I'll have the option to select from many different styles of doors. After I'm happy with my selections, I simply hit save and keep editing or go back to the dashboard.